So, good morning ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Mercedes-Benz driving events here in Sorsele, Sweden. We're here at one of the warm-up sections we're going to do. So this is circle number 1, circle number 2 and circle number 3 in a combination. And the cars we have with us is this one. So the C400 with 333 horsepower. At all the 4 wheels we do have a torque split of the 4Matic system of 45% in the front and 55% in the back. This all works without ESP, but what we have equipped the car with are these beautiful, nearly falling, these beautiful studded tires. So we have lots of studs in the beautiful winter tire right here. We do have some underbody protection, so this is all we're gonna need for a couple of laps. We set the car up to sporty conditions, so we have set it up to individual, so the driving dynamics are pretty on spot if you need. The only thing which we left in comfort is the suspension system, which gives the car a little bit more movement in the body, so we can twist it around these tracks, beautifully position it, use a little bit of left foot braking, pendulum effect through the gates, go back into the circle, have nearly a backwards entry and just floor it all the way sideways, point the steering to where we need to go and have a nice drift all around it. Position it straight, sideways but straight, through the corners, same here, get the back end out, on the gas gently, shift weight in the car, use the pendulum effect again to get back into the circle and flick it into it, on the gas again.
Many hours later.
I'm going to take you for a little bit of a ride and show you the track number 4 in combination with track number 6 here at the Mercedes-Benz driving events in Sorsele, the Swedish winter driving events. Come with me. Here we go. Alright, there we are in the C400. It's not a very common thing that you see yourself on a lake in a car. Heading out of the pits. I will have the left foot on the brakes, and with this 4Matic system we use in this car, we have 520 Newton meters of torque at all 4 wheels.